Hello guys, here's Programming to Inspire, and today we're gonna start building Pong in Java. This is our game we're gonna create. So let's start. First create a project, call it Pong. Now create a main class and also call it Pong. Put it in the com.programming to inspire.pong package. Pong will extend canvas and implement runnable. Add an implemented method run. Pong will have a main class, so let's create main method. First create some variables, public, static, final, int width is equal to 400 and height is equal to 600. Public static float scale is equal to 1f. Private JFrame frame, private thread, and private boolean running is equal to false. Public static buffered image is equal to new buffered image with height buffered image dot type RGB, int RGB. Buffered image. Public static int array of pixels is equal to data buffer int image dot get raster dot get data buffer dot get data. We will also have a constructor public Pong. In the constructor we will set the preferred size, new dimension, casted width time scale and casted height time scale. Here we will also initiate a frame. Frame is equal to new JFrame. And that's it for here. Now let's create some more methods. Public void update and public void render. We will also have public void start and stop. In the start method we will start a new thread, so we will first set running is equal to true and thread is equal to new thread. This and loop, name it loop, thread dot start. That will start our thread and will go into run method. For stopping our thread, we have to call thread.join and surround it with try and catch. In our main method, we will create an object Pong. P is equal to new Pong P dot frame dot set resizable to false. P dot frame dot set title to Pong. P dot frame dot add P. P dot frame dot back. P dot frame dot set default close operation jframe dot exit and close. P dot frame dot set visible to true. P dot frame dot set location relative to now. P dot frame dot set always on top to true. P dot start. That will call our start method and create a thread and start run method. So let's see what happens. We have a frame and nothing happens. Here we will create a game loop that will call update 60 times a second and render as many times as it can. So let's go to the in the loop. Here we will have some variables long last time in nanoseconds is equal to system dot nano time. Long timer is equal to system dot current time in milliseconds. Final double nanoseconds per update is equal to 1 followed by 9 zeros, 0.0 divided by 60.0. Double updates to perform is equal to 0 int frames is equal to 0 and int updates is equal to 0. Here request focus, so our JFrame will get in focus and our input will work, and while running that means that we will also always be in that loop. Long current time in nanosecond is equal to system dot nano time updates to perform plus equals current time in nanoseconds minus last time in nanoseconds divided by nanoseconds per update. Last time in nanoseconds is equal to current time in nanoseconds, while updates to perform is greater or equal to 1. Updates plus plus and updates to perform minus minus. Render every time the loop runs. We update just when it is time for update, 60 times a second. Updates frames plus plus, and now if system.current time in milliseconds minus timer is greater than 1000, timer plus equals 1000, frame dot set title Pong plus updates plus frames. So we will be able to see how many updates a second happens. Frames is equal to 0. Update. So let's check it out. And here we have 60 times a second and many times, because we don't render anything. Frames. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next